am broccoli. I can enable you to poop easily. I want to turn into stir-fried broccoli with shrimp. Wow, small pieces of broccoli have been picked.
Hey! Hey!
The broccoli pieces are a bit dirty and gonna take a bath. Hello, shrimps! Would you like to turn into stir-fried dish with me?
Great! We would love to!
Hello, carrot! Would you like to join us to turn into stir-fried dish together? Of course! The carrot will enrich the flavor of this dish. Let's start cooking. It's time to eat. The broccoli is so delicious. The broccoli is tasty and healthy. I'm gonna have it every day.